So under the number system, there will be a real numbers and the progression will comes under the number system. So most of the questions from the number system, they may ask from the logarithms or simply they will ask about the square root values or the application questions. Totally, actually the topics and the concept will be from our lessons only. The syllabus will be from our lessons only. The type of questions they will ask from the application. Application in the number system, they will ask about the prime numbers and the square and square root values, cube and cube root values, or the logarithms and the exponents. So on the under the number system, there will be some subtopics. We can able to discuss that in detail. And under the progressions also, progressions, what is the first term, last term, and middle term, and what is the mean value, and all the subtopics. So the application questions they will ask in a somewhat in twisty manner. So if we look after about the algebra, under the algebra there are some more important topics out there. So the equations, so which is a linear, quadratic, and the polynomials. So first week, if we discuss about the polynomials, you know already from the 8th, 9th, 10th. Yeah, could you please mute? Who is that? So where we will get nearly 5 to 10 questions from this topic, algebra. So if we take from the geometry, if we select from the geometry, so there in the geometry also, so majorly number system, algebra, geometry. In the geometry also, there if we can able to discuss about the geometry, the basic terms of the geometry will be there, and the applications of geometry. So like if we take about the graphs, and with the help of the graph also, we can able to consider about what is a so all which is from a point to line segment ray, as well as the circles and the circumference, as well as the polynomials and the quadrilaterals. So all the applications of the basic terminology from the geometry, and with that the coordinate geometry. So those including about that one, the geometry will be there. And what they asked from the some important theorems are there. So basic proportionality theorem, like that one, they may ask about the statements, and the application questions also they will ask. So nearly from this one also we may expect from nearly 10 to 12 questions. So, and another one more topic is an important topic, which is trigonometry. Trigonometry we will get from only the actually from our syllabus only from 9th and 10th. 9th also just only they in the interlinked topic of only angle, and those we will discuss. In the 10th class, we will focus about all the identities. So what is a sine, cos, and trigonometric ratios, and ratios to after that the identities. We will focus about how to find about some values. Mostly they will ask about the application questions. So as it is a competitive exam, we may expect nearly again 10 to 12 questions. So because the major areas of number system, algebra, geometry, and trigonometry, these are all the major areas. And the mensuration, if we take about the mensuration, there they may ask about the areas. So in the under the areas, you know already that in the 9th class, so many application questions are there. So they may ask about uh, the surface areas. So we will take about the surface areas also. So surface areas, under this one also, lateral surface area, total surface area. We know about the formulas, geometrical, basical 2D shapes and the 3D shapes. With that one, we can able to find about the areas, and under that one, the total surface area and the lateral surface areas. Not only these one, they may ask about the volumes and the application questions. So the application questions of, if they will give about the a solid figure of a, suppose a cylinder, then they will just melted that the cylinder, and they will cast into a somewhat a uh, simply the cone. So what is the volume of that cone? So here they may ask about the quantity, and they will miss one of the term, and they can ask about either the radius or the lateral height or the perpendicular height. So the interlinked topics. So the application questions of this mensuration also, we may get many of the questions. So next last one is statistics. In the statistics, we know already that statistics also from 6th class onwards, we learned already many basic terminologies. So many basic terms and some application questions also we may expect from the statistics. So under the statistics also, we already know about the mean, median, and mode. So those three central tendencies. From that three central tendencies also, they will ask some application questions. How to find about the mean in the different methods. They'll ask about the, sometimes they will give about the formula, and they may ask about what are the parts of the formula. So these are all the important, not important, these are all the compulsory areas, the big areas, major areas. So we can able to discuss in detail in the regular classes. Okay, ma. Out of total, we are going to get about the 60 questions. 60 questions, 60 MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. So in that 60, you have to get about the 60 out of 60 marks. If you want to get about the 60 out of 60 marks, we can able to focus each and everything very clearly. Then yeah, it is very easy. Just if we can able to practice about some application questions regularly and thoroughly, then we will get it easily about the 60 marks in the within the time. And we can able to the in the maths, one of the positive thing is, if you can able to practice more, then you can able to save the given time. So in that 2.5 hours, I thought totally 150 questions will be there. Out of that 150 questions, the remaining we can able to allot. So the 60 minutes of time in the 1 hour, we can able to save nearly 50 minutes. We can able to complete within the 50 minutes. We can able to save nearly 10 minutes if our practice will be clear. I hope so. You will understood about the syllabus and the weightage of the this set, poly set. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, okay, ma. Thank you to one and all. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will take care. Thank you.
Right, sir.
Thank you for,
Thank you for giving
time.
this up.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, right.
We can